Okay, it's really windy outside right now, and I'm gonna go outside, but I'm wondering if y'all think the same thing as I do, if the wind sounds weird, if there's a weird noise. Oh no, no, no. If there's a weird noise along with it. So, message me on YouTube and let me know if it sounds weird to you. Just listen to it. I think this wind, personally, it sounds weird to me, but let me know if you think it sounds weird too. It is windy out here. It is windy out here. So, I mean, it's, what is it, 15th? It's Sunday, January the 15th, and it was New Year's Eve when it was really windy as well, and when the birds died again, blackbirds. I'm in Mountain View, Arkansas, so I don't know if this is related to heart or what, but I just think that the wind sounded weird for a minute there. Just respond to this YouTube and let me know if you think it sounds weird or if you think it sounds normal.